So today we'll be trying to survive freeze tag monkeys. Obviously, I'm a freeze tag monkey because I just.
Nah, shut up, dog. You're like 6 years old.
What the hell?
I'm actually
Bro, what the hell?
dumb bitch. You're literally a queer dog. I'm in 6th grade. You're a queer.
Chat, I'm gonna see if I can stop it.
I'm in 7th, dumbass bitch. Shut your bitch ass up. There ain't no way. There is no way. Yo, am I the only one that
Guys,
think he's in 7th grade?
guys, stop arguing, guys, please.
I'm in 5th grade and I'm definitely older.
This is meant to be a family-friendly game.
That's what I'm talking about, and he's just cussing over here. He's just cussing over here.
Okay. How about you stop?
Family friendly. Bro, shut up, dog. You still wear diapers. I want to eat your cat.
Chat, I tried.
You still poop in diapers.
I tried. Oh my god, Kaylin. Where's Kaylin? Okay, wait. Let's see if I can go on a new lobby because this will take too long. Nah, I'm not gonna actually.
Oh, I can do that too.
Yeah, I'm actually gonna now.
Yo, is he any good, buddy? No, man.
Yo, did he finally go?
Top up, get your.
Yo, he found me.
I found King!
He left. Go, bro. Or he got banned.
Come on, oh, get him!
The guy who sees that.
Can y'all tell that I'm a new player? That was he's actually really good.
Come here,
I don't
bro.
want to freaking play this game.
What's the trash, dude? Not you, yellow. You are Nathan.
Holy.
He's playing on Steam, that's why.
No, I play on Chris.
You're not. Go into the Oculus menu then.
What the hell? Oh,
Thanks. It's
good
the
run,
Diddy
though,
part, yo.
honestly.
It's Diddy.
One.
Shit.
Help me! Help me!
We're all fucked. We're all fucked. Run fast, nigga. Do not stop. No, do not stop running. Give me a second, dude.
Yo, did he hurt me?
No!
Yo, Bodie, help!
Look! Jermaine.
Bodie!
I got the yellow rabbit, bro.
Bodie, I'm dying! Bodie, get your Bodie ass here.
Oh, he's coming. He's coming, yo. He's coming.
Bodie! Bodie, where are you? Shit!
Hey there. Look at that brunch that you just closed.
Hey there, mister, I'm dating your sister. Oh, hey, my bad. I didn't mean to say that.
What's that mean, bro?
Bodie, what up?
Doing.
Bodie, you still in here?
Yeah, I'm here.
Oh my.
I'm up from that brunch. Look up here.
Oh, it's good, yo. Oh my gosh, you scared me. You send me right around. Bodie.
No!
Oh, shh. Bodie.
No, I messed up.
I messed up. And how does he? Alright,
90.
or something?
90
No, we
seconds,
have a speed boost.
which is 1 minute
No, I know. You know
and
you know
30
I know,
seconds.
I know.
A minute and 30 seconds. Come back for daily videos. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
Bro,